Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about string slicing in Python. In previous lesson we learned how to access a single character using indexing. Now slicing helps us access multiple characters or a part of string. Think of slicing like a cutting a piece of cake. Instead of taking one letter, we can take a group of letters from a string. Basic syntax for string slicing is string, start colon and end. Here start is equals to beginning index, end is equals to stopping index. Important. Important thing is that the ending index is not included. Let's see an example. Text equals to Python. Print text from index 0 to 3. Then the output will become pyt. Here Python starts from index 0 and slicing stops before index 3. So the output will become pyt. Another example for this is print text from index 2 to 5. So the output will become th and o. This is how slicing extracts a portion of a string. And so remember one thing, like slicing is equals to getting part of a string. And slide 2 explains the different types of string slicing. Now let's understand different slicing methods by seeing some examples. Example 1, text equals to Python. As I explained in the previous slide, same example with different numbers like index 0 to 4. The output will become pyt and h. So print text from index 2 till end. This is the second example you can see in the slide 2. If we do not give an ending index, Python automatically goes till the end. And for that example we have given in the slide 2, example 3, you can see the output as pyt. If you do not give a starting index, Python starts from the beginning automatically. Python also supports negative slicing. Negative indexes starts from the end of a string. And quick recap for all this string slicing is start index, and end index is excluded. Start index start index says that where slicing begins, and end index says where slicing stops. Slicing is useful in extracting names, passwords, file extensions, data transfer processing, and text manipulation. So today you have learned about what a string slicing is and how it works. You should practice different words and different codes to understand this slicing. This is the most important and most useful for the data science students as well. So practice codes and happy coding.